Candidate number 1, Angelica Joy Cahigas. Number 2 is a 21-year-old lead dancer of Tribo ni Beatriz of the Beatriz D. Durano Memorial National High School, composed of the clustered barangays of Barangay Suba, Barangay Santa Rosa, Barangay Ligos, and Barangay Bayabas. Here she is, candidate number 2, Samantha Faye Bentuya. Here is a 17-year-old lead dancer of Pundok sa Malipayong, Ginsakamag of the Ginakot Integrated School, composed of barangays Ginakot, Kahumayan, Sandikan, and Magtagubtub. Candidate number 3, Shamiel Ipil. Our fourth candidate is only 17 years old, and she leads the way for Tribo sa Madasigong, Masloganon. Representing the Captain Mariano L. Espera Jr. Memorial National High School and the clustered barangays of Barangay Maslog, Pili, Barangay Ogis, and Barangay Lawaan. Here she is, candidate number 4, Althea Grace Vizcaino. In line is a 23-year-old lead dancer of Pundok sa nagkahiusang Mahudiatang Ginsayanon of Ginsay National High School. Composed of the clustered barangays of Barangay Ginsay, Barangay Kabungahan, Barangay Baliang, and Barangay Saksak. Candidate number 5, Roche Pitoon. Her place on center stage is candidate number 6, the 21-year-old lead dancer of Pundok Banay sa Mahugyawong, Kambanay of the Ubaldo Iway National High School, composed of the clustered barangays of Barangay Kambanay, Barangay Kagat, Barangay Kambubho, and Barangay Sandayong Norte. Candidate number 6, Katrina Celine Melencion. is a 20-year-old lead dancer of Banay sa Mapasigarbuhong Danawanon of Sandayong Sur National High School. She dances tonight for the clustered barangays of Barangay Sandayong Sur, Barangay Taytay, Barangay Masaba, Barangay Langosig, and Barangay Tuburan. Candidate number 7, 20-year-old Princess Sofia Batican.
Our 8th candidate is a 21-year-old lead dancer of Hugpong sa nagkahiusang Loocanon of the Bibiana Mercado Integrated School. She represents as well Barangay Slook, Matiha, Nangka, Malapok, and Sibakan. Here is candidate number 8, Crystal E. Gabisay. Is our 9th candidate, only 18 years old. Tonight she leads the way for the Hugpong sa Masibulong Kabataan-unang Danawanon of the Quezon Integrated School. She also represents the clustered barangays of Barangay Quezon, Barangay Cogon Cruz, Barangay Dunggoan, and Barangay Pinalyo. Ladies and gentlemen, candidate number 9, Gia Kate Laurito Camasura. We have our 10th candidate, 24-year-old. She is the lead dancer for Mahigugmaong Mananayaw sa DT Durano Memorial Integrated School of the DT Durano Memorial Integrated School. She represents the clustered barangays of Barangay Poblacion, Barangay Manlayag, Barangay Danasan, and Barangay Tabok. Candidate number 10, Joselle Lavas.